Hello and welcome to our special feature series HDFC ERGO presents Insurance Ki Pathshala, partnered by Times Network. India's small and medium businesses are everywhere. The pharmacy shop that stayed open throughout the pandemic, the textile workshop in Surat that exports across 2 continents. These businesses are the backbone of India's economy, contributing to 30% of our GDP and employing over 110 million people.
Different businesses would have different requirements. For example, our kind of business, which will not have much of machinery and immovable assets and stock, so we have a different kind of requirement. MSME manufacturing unit will have a different kind of environment wherein they really need to cover stock and their machinery and plant, and also the right measurement of the loss which they may incur. For example, I have seen many of the MSME, SME, they don't even value the seasonal peak which is there. So they would just go and do an average. For example, if they want to insure their stock, they will say, okay, fine, this is an average stock which is there on a month-to-month basis. Let's do that, rather than saying that, okay, fine, this is my peak season, so let's do for peak season, this is my stock, and they don't even update that. So I think these are the challenges, and this is the way MSME and SME can optimize their risk aversion through policy.